Hey, it's your girl Amarie and I'm back at it again. Today we are revamping a used wig. So right here y'all see this big bald spot. I'm about to fill this bald spot back in with strands of hair. Now here I slow the video down a little bit. So you're going to cut hair from a used wig or some used tracks. Then you're going to fold the hair in half. Get your ventilator needle and you go to your wig and you tie the strands of hair into the lace, strand by strand. This needle goes, I think, up to 3 or 4 strands at one time. Now I gotta give credit where credit is due. I learned how to ventilate about 14 years ago from this lady named Amarie Lace Wigs here on YouTube. Y'all check her out. And I've been filling in wigs ever since. So really you're just gonna fill in the thin areas or the bald areas until it gets full enough to look natural. So with the ventilating method, you can usually do 2 knots or 1 knot. I usually do 1 knot if they don't plan on reusing their wig again. And here are the finished results after ventilating. I'm separating the hair so y'all can see that it's no more bald spots. And I filled everything in before I'm about to put her wig on. Now here I'm about to start her braid down. Y'all know we're gonna do straight back braids for, a wig install. My client doesn't like really small braids, so she wanted something that was more easy, to take down. So I did medium-sized braids. I did the smallest I could to get a flat foundation for the wig. Now here I'm finishing up her last braid for the braid down, and then I'm gonna sew that last braid up. Now we're going into oiling the scalp. So we're gonna oil that scalp, and after you oil it, you gotta do the massage. Massages are good for stimulating hair growth. Now here we are spraying hold and spray on the cap right before we get ready to sew it. So now I'm about to sew that cap on, baby, from one ear to the next. Now after you get your cap all sewn down, you're gonna put your first layer of glue on. Then after you put that first layer of glue on, you're gonna cut the cap around where the glue is. And please, on this part, be careful so you won't cut your client with scissors. If you have sharp scissors, they can cut, so just be careful. Now we're going into our second layer of glue. And you're gonna do this 5 to 7 times until the glue gets a little white, but not quite. Now here, we're gonna pop that wig on, baby. So after you get your client's wig on, you wanna massage the wig or, slash lace into the glue. Now here's where you're gonna massage your wig into the glue. I like to use a comb, but some people use their hands. Now this is what we call hitting a hot spot. So the spot you missed the first time, you're gonna go back over it with the glue, lift your lace up slightly so you can see where the glue didn't adhere to. Now you're gonna go to the back and sew that wig down for more security. We don't need no wigs falling off or lifting up at the back because it's gonna look crazy. Now I'm going in with the Silken and Mist. So the Silken and Mist is used to make your hair more silky, so I always use that before I blow dry or curl or flat iron. Now since the wig is used already, we didn't have to pluck, so I just laid her baby hairs down right here. She doesn't like anything dramatic. She likes, something simple and easy to manage. Now here's where we go into the styling / curling. So you're gonna get sections of the hair, comb them out, and then go over them with the curling iron. After her curled, I cut a little bit of layers into her bangs so it could fall a little better. And these are her finished results. What y'all think? I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all, and until next time.